Hello and welcome to this tutorial video of how to use the read text option in readthewords.com. Now, read text option, as the name implies, is used to convert any text which you type in this box or you want to paste into this box and you want to convert it into a recording. So I'll just go through the basic components of this page so it's easy for you to understand how to use this feature. Now the first thing is you need to give every recording of yours a name. It could be a word, it could be a few words, as long as it is sort of descriptive of what the recording is going to be. It can be anything. Now this second box here where I'm typing something is the place where whatever you type or paste in is what will get converted into a recording. And as if you scroll down the page, it mentions the maximum limit which you have, which is about 80,000 characters, which is a very large limit actually. So as long as you stay within that limit, you can paste or type anything in this box here. The next thing is selecting the voice. Now the selection of voice also determines the language of the recording. As you may already know, Read the Words is able to create recordings in English, Spanish and French. So if you want to create something in French, it's assumed that whatever you type here in this box is going to be French text, and likewise for Spanish. So if you make the mistake of entering something here in this box in English and then you choose a French male voice, the results may be unpredictable. So you have to make sure that whatever you're typing here in this box is something which is something which voice here can be able to handle. So an English voice means English text, French voice means French text, and Spanish voice means Spanish text. Right, so let me just put in some text here, and let me choose Emily, which is US female voice. And then here we have reader speed, which helps you to alter the speed of the spoken text which will be created. So it is set to a default normal speaking speed, but if you want to speed up the speech, you can slide it to the right, or you can make it slower by sliding it to the left. So in this case, we'll just leave it where it was. So once you've entered everything, you have to click on the create audio file. Now a lot of people often get confused and they go and click on this play icon here under the avatar, which is actually not what's supposed to be done. In order to create a recording, you have to click on this big green button called create audio files. Let me just go ahead and click on this, and the recording is ready. Now once a recording has been created, you will end up in what is known as the My Library page, which lists all the recordings which you've created so far, and the recording which you've created last, or your latest recording, is what is going to show up here. So the recording which I created by the name of test is already here. Now for each recording I have these 6 options. I can edit it, I can download it, I can embed it, I can create a podcast, I can mail it to somebody, and this just shows the status of the recordings. Now we will look into these options in detail in another video. For now I'm just going to play back this video.
Hi, how are you doing?
And so once you've selected a recording to play back, it will show you the text here, which is not editable. It's just for viewing purposes. And then here, according to the avatar you've chosen, it will show up here and it will speak the recording. And here is where, if you want to replay the recording, you click
Hi,
on the
how
play
are you
button
doing?
again. So it's extremely simple. This is how you create a recording by just putting in some text and choosing a voice, and your recording is created within a few seconds. Thank you.